Hey everybody, happy Thursday. So I'm headed to work. Hold on, get it in the right hand here. And so, yeah, I was going to do a taste test for a new, is it Monster? Monster Zero that I found at Vons, Strawberry Peach. But, I had already packed, red,
Metrolink is
hold
offering
on.
free rides on Transit Equity Day, Saturday, February 4th. Metrolink service will be free throughout our system. For more information,
On,
visit
what day
metrolinktrains.com
is
or
that?
call or text 800-371-5465.
It's like free rides on Saturday. Um, so yeah, you guys, I was gonna try that. I had my dinner, just some mashed potatoes and the leftover pork chop, and then I'm taking the rest um to eat at lunch at work. And but tomorrow I gotta go get my what is it called? Oh, it's coming, I think.
M336 service to San Bernardino will arrive shortly on track 1.
They always say that as if we can't hear it. Um, so yeah. You guys, so I need to have my glasses on right now. I don't know. I have to go get my pills tomorrow because I have some of my old ones left. So I'm just like taking, just to make it stretch, I'm taking like four, but I'm supposed to be taking 150 milligrams. So I hope I don't get a headache. Shouldn't be too bad because it's only for tonight. And then tomorrow, pharmacy opens at 9 or 8. But I'll be over there by that time, and I can pick them up. Uh, So I'm also waiting for my some other pain pill to kick in. So, but yeah, you guys, I wanted to try that drink, strawberry peach, but I had already packed a uh, sugar-free Red Bull. So I was like, I'll just do that because I remember where I was going. I was like, I can get my Diet Mountain Dews, which have the caffeine in them. Okay, guys, train's coming. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night. Bye.